Well, the highly anticipated UFO report released
a much anticipated government report on UFOs.
Tonight, the highly anticipated report on unexplained aerial phenomena is here, but the answers are not.
This particular report is underwhelming. We expected that. Many of us suspect there is a lot more going on that we are not privy to. It is real. These objects are not hallucinations by our professional pilots because they are trained to observe.
And our shorthand for it is tic-tac. We have these little white oblong mints, and that's exactly what it looked like, except it was traveling very fast and very erratically.
Obviously, the first thing that comes to mind is, are we on a collision course? You know, if it's a real object, which it is, because radar shows you this image is either staying outside or keeping pace with you or rushing towards you. The first thing that you want to do is avoid collision. Are these alien objects, as in truly extraterrestrial visitations? Very hard to tell. These objects show flight dynamics and physics that we don't understand, that we don't use in our technologies. Our technologies won't allow us to fly bluff body vehicles, that is, not aerodynamic vehicles, at extreme rates of speed and very quick maneuvers and shifting speeds, and most of all, disappearing from sight or transforming from an aircraft into a submersible without even a splash.
And we couldn't anticipate which way it was going to turn, or couldn't understand how it was maneuvering the way that it was, or the propulsion system. It didn't have any apparent smoke trail or propulsion. In that moment, I was certainly confused. I didn't have a way to classify it or to explain the physics behind it.
As our telescopes get better and our sensitivities grow better, we are going to see some sign of living things. NASA scientists think that in the next 30 or 40 years, we will have pinned down, life in the universe. We may need help from our rivals to make some conclusions on this matter. Our allies support us whenever they see UFO incidents, like the UK. We share information. It will be wonderful to see the global communities of military strategists come together and talk about species welfare and species survival.